Ratan Sharda ji, very quickly, if I can get you in at this point, and the last question really at this point is, one of the things that is being said, and even to Muslims who have welcomed this particular part, this particular board, what they are, or the amendments to this board, what they are saying is, why not make this, why to have others from outside? Welcome women. There are some who have opposed it, there are some who have welcomed it, saying that women should be part of it, they should be made stakeholders. But about non-Muslims, isn't this a right to religion that they profess? Why have non-Muslims on board is what they would ask.
See, first of all, let us realize that despite having 940,000 acres under Waqf board, still the Waqf board committee payments are being made by the government, by our tax money, and they are the employees of the government. Why do any other community have that right? As far as this is concerned, in Hindu temples,
no, sir, but that does not explain why you should have a non-Muslim on the board. That's not really the point, is it?
That is
that doesn't explain it, though.
See, that small point can be discussed in the JPC.
That doesn't explain it, sir.
My point is, how can somebody have overwhelming rights, and how you can have Muslims or Christians on Hindu board but not on Muslim board? Because you have to have parity. If it has to go from everywhere. Hindus HRC tells them to take over the temples. Waqf board says they can take over any property. What kind of equitable discrimination is this?
Okay, all right. Last question, Rashid Sharif ji, do you welcome more inclusion of women? Rashid Sharif ji, आप welcome करते हैं स्टेप को कि women अब mandatory होने चाहिए हर panels में, चाहे वो सेंटर में हो, स्टेट में हो. शायद अभी वक्फ बोर्ड में सिर्फ 2 ही स्टेट्स हैं या यूटीज हैं जहां पे विमेन इंक्लूड किए गए हैं वक्फ बोर्ड में. आप ये वेलकम करते हैं इस मूव को?
नहीं मैडम, बिल्कुल नहीं. आप अगर करना है वुमेन्स की इतनी ही आपको फिक्र है तो आप लीजिए उनको, सियासत में लीजिए, जॉब दिलाइए उनको, उनकी वाकई हेल्प करना है तो बराबर करिए. वक्फ बोर्ड में देने की क्या जरूरत है उनको? आप पूरे तकरीबन 10 साल से आप ऐसे हुकूमत चला रहे हैं, क्या करें?
वक्फ बोर्ड में दिया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम? सियासत में भी लाएंगे, वक्फ बोर्ड में भी लाएंगे सर.
सियासत में भी लाइए, आप उनको जॉब दीजिए, आप उनको उनकी हर तरीके से मदद कीजिए. ये नहीं कि ट्रिपल तलाक कर दिए, ये नहीं कि हिजाब का मसला कर दिए उनके, ये नहीं करना.
रशीद शरीफ जी, एक सिंपल सी बात है, मैं पूछ रही हूँ, मुस्लिम वुमेन को वक्फ बोर्ड में लाए तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? बाकी चीजों में आपको प्रॉब्लम है, पर इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इसमें नॉन मुस्लिम वुमेन तो बोला नहीं है, मुस्लिम वुमेन, आपकी कम्युनिटी से आपकी औरतों को वक्फ बोर्ड में लाया गया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं है मैडम. आप अगर सोच रहे हैं, अगर लाने का सोच रहे हैं तो फिर वक्फ बोर्ड में क्यों बोल रहा हूँ मैं? हर सेक्टर में लाइए आप. खाली वक्फ बोर्ड सुबह से ये करा वक्फ बोर्ड पे औरतें आए,
पर आप वेलकम करते हैं वक्फ बोर्ड पे?
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आप हर सेक्टर में लीजिए उनको आगे बढ़ाने की सोचिए. बराबर मैं आपके साथ हूँ.
Right. Ratan Sharda and Rashid Sharif, thank you very much for joining us. हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया. This of course possibly is going to be referred to JPC. We'll have to see whether that really does happen. But this is of course an amendment bill that has got some very strong reactions, even from within the Muslim community, and the opinions are quite divided. Yes, while there are many who are saying that this is against the constitution, the federal principles to exercise one's right to religion, there are others who have welcomed this move as well, but have raised concerns that how would you ensure that another board or another constitution of a board doesn't lose the spirit for which it was put in place at first itself. Nonetheless, a sensitive issue that now is in Parliament as well.